on, families? And here we are on day 2 or 3 after this horrible storm, and there is a lot of work and efforts going on at Sunol Glen School, trying to get our school back to a place where we can successfully and safely open on January 9th. So I just wanted to give you a little update from yesterday. The storm did take a huge impact, or had a huge impact, sorry, on our playground. And mostly that was due to the containers that have now, again, thank you to Scott Peterson and also Clay Copeman, Mr. Hoxie. The shipping containers were back here, and now on this side of the portables, and now they have been moved over to this area, the exact opposite area. And part of that thinking is that in preparation for the next surge, the next round of this big storm, this is a better place for them. They won't be as apt to move and do more potential damage to our main building and to our playground that's already been hit pretty hard. As you can see, the portables behind me here, there's 3 of them, and they sustained quite a bit of damage. They actually have been moved about a foot maybe, and there was a ton of mud that was there as well. And so all of the mud is currently being worked on in the back, again, thinking that this would be a better situation to have that cleared, and all the drains have been cleared as well in preparation for the second round of the storm. So this is to mitigate and be proactive. We have contacted Restoration Management Company. You can see them here behind me. They are working extremely hard. They went into every single classroom and are doing a moisture survey, because we want to make sure that there's no moisture that is seeped into the classrooms. The core classrooms are all given the green light at this point. And again, we are doing some actions to make sure that the second round of the storm doesn't further any damage in that regard as well. So the fence line is a mess. The yard is a mess. Our beautiful garden is pretty much kaput. But we are working hard to get things back together as best we can in readiness for January 9th. So the plan is to open on January 9th, welcome your children in. We will be continuing to do work over the next few days. We're going to put up some fence along the blacktop and the field to make sure that students don't cross over and are in any way put in an unsafe situation. So that's the plan as of today. Lots going on. Hope you're having a great day. Stay dry, stay safe. I miss everybody. Go Eagles.